Vanakkam and welcome to Car Pal. I'm Vignesh, and in the video it's going to be all about the Kia Carens. Now Kia Carens பத்தி ஒரு couple of highlight points. So first point இது வந்து ஒரு global unveil, right? Global unveil happening in India. So இதுக்கு என்ன ஒரு subtle messaging or indirect messaging பார்த்தீங்கன்னா that India is a very important market for Kia. Second thing வந்து it's only an unveil, so இதனால launch இல்லை, therefore variants or features எந்த வேரியண்ட்ல எந்த ஃபீச்சர் அதெல்லாம் இன்னும் சொல்ல முடியாது. So that's something that we still don't know. But all we know is that it will be launched in the first quarter of 2022. Third point is that in the entire SUV space, there are lots of pairs, right? That is compact SUV space, regular SUV space. So there are a lot of pairs, right? For example, you have Maruti Brezza and Toyota Urban Cruiser. You have the Hyundai Venue and the Kia Sonet. You have the Nissan Magnate, Renault Kiger. And in the regular SUV space, you have the Nissan Kicks, Renault Duster. You have the Volkswagen Taygun and the Skoda Kushaq. You have the Hyundai Creta and the Kia Seltos. And finally, you have the Hyundai Alcazar and the Kia Carens. Since it's only an unveil, so nari information innum disclose pannala. So basically, for example, engine பற்றி நிறைய இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் தெரியாது. மெயின் மேட்டரே வந்து engine displacement தான், அதுவும் இன்னும் தெரியாது. But we know there's going to be a turbo petrol and a turbo diesel. And transmission பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் for the automatic you have a turbo petrol with the 7-speed dual clutch automatic, and the turbo diesel வந்து it comes with a 6-speed torque converter automatic. But அது தவிர engine displacement we don't know that yet. Second thing வந்து interior. So interiors வந்து cars are locked, so I cannot show you inside the car. உள்ள உட்காந்து காமிக்க முடியாது, பட் வெளிலேருந்து காமிக்க முடியும் ஓரளவுக்கு. And third thing is that the safety features game from Kia side is amped up. That is கொஞ்சம் increase பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, because usually if you look at Seltos for example, the lower variants get only 2 airbags. Only the GTX or GT trimsலாம் வந்து உங்களுக்கு 6 airbags கொடுக்குறாங்க. But Carens பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் safety features like R6 airbags, electronic stability control, vehicle stability management, and hill assist. You have all wheels or 4 disc brakes. You have Highline TPMS. So all these things are standard across variants. So since it's just an unveil, நான் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு walk around video மாதிரி காமிக்கிறேன். So come, let's walk around the Carens. Okay, so quick உங்களுக்கு ஒரு walk around video காமிச்சேன் உங்களுக்கு. So this is the Kia Carens, right? And இங்க வந்து you have the Kia logo in the front. And this is a new color. It's called sparkling silver, and this has got some metallic particles also incorporated within the color. So that's supposed to be really cool. So Kia logo here. You have the chrome line over here running across the width of the vehicle. And if you see the LED headlamps, right? You have LED DRLs incorporated within the headlamp. So this பேர் வந்து Star Map அப்படினு சொல்றாங்க. Star Map design and concept from Kia, right? So this is what they have designed, this is what they have incorporated within the headlamp cluster itself. And as you can see here, you have chrome elements here as well, right? And deepa pathina, you can see front parking sensors, right? So front camera is not here, but front parking sensors are definitely here. So this is what you're going to get in the front. Looks pretty good, looks pretty unique as well. So let's see how it does. Let me know if you like it as well. Cool thing about the interiors on the seat height, right? Seat height is in fact quite low. So உங்களுக்கு வந்து ingress and egress வெளில இறங்குறது உள்ள ஏறுறது should be fairly easy, and lot more headroom inside because of the low seats, right? So as you can see, the roof is actually quite tall, and it should give you a lot more headroom than probably competition. I think the biggest advantage in the long wheelbase, or the biggest advantage in the it's probably the boot area, because you get slightly more boot space right now. So as we proceed to the side, right? இப்போ first thing எனக்கு பிடிச்ச மேட்டர் வந்து இது 16-inch alloy wheel. So this is not usually வந்து in the Seltos or even Creta you see a 17-inch wheels also, but இங்க வந்து it's specifically 16-inch, and it's probably because you have a 6-seater or a 7-seater, so a lot more weight, and therefore smaller wheel in this situation it will make a lot more sense. So this is a crystal cut 16-inch alloy wheel. One other thing that is incorporated here is in the roof line is straight, right? Roof line is completely straight. There is no usually வந்து ஒரு SUV ல ஒரு towards the rear end taper down ஆகும், but இந்த வண்டியில it's a straight line. One more thing to point out is the wheelbase. So distance between these two wheels side la Now this is the highest in the segment. So this should give you more space in the rear or better boot space. So let's go to the rear of the vehicle. So இங்கேயும் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்டார் மேப் எல்இடி டிஆர்எல் கான்செப்ட் அண்ட் டிசைன் இஸ் ஹியர். கீழே வந்து you have the chrome treatment across the rear bumper. Carens logo இங்கே place பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. Kia logo in the center again. And you have the 7 DCT badge. So this is likely the turbo petrol. So one thing I couldn't talk about too much was the features, right? இப்போ features பொறுத்த வரைக்கும் some of the features have been revealed. So you have 10-inch touchscreen system, you have Bose surround sound, you have smartphone wireless charging, you have ventilated seats, you have drivetrain controls. So all those things are pretty cool. You also have paddle shifters for your for the transmission. You have a sunroof. And you have one switch electric tumble for the second row of seats for you to access the third row. So all that is pretty cool, but we don't know the full length yet. So thank you so much for watching Gameplay with Vignesh, and this video was all about the Kia Carens. Hope you liked it. And if you're looking to buy a new car, புது கார் வாங்குற பிளான்ல இருந்தீங்கன்னா please come to our website. It's trycarpal.com and we will guide you from there. We are a virtual multi-brand new car dealership. So எங்ககிட்ட you can ask us what car should be the better one for you, உங்களுக்கு என்ன வண்டி சூட் ஆகும் பெட்டரா அப்படின்ட்டு, and you can buy the car completely online, right? Thank you. Have a great day.